Song number 15, The Skateboarder. We have been learning about half notes, which are the notes that have the empty circle with the stems, and they get 2 beats. So we need to make sure we save our bow and get 2 beats. 1, 2. For our up bow stroke, 1, 2. So let's start practicing song number 15. Get my violin up, thumb goes here, fingers on the body of the violin. Get my bow hold ready, fingers all spread apart, thumb at the frog right here. Index finger is between the mesh and the black part. Middle finger fourth and curved pinky, just like this. Make sure you have all this space in between your fingers. And I'm going to place it on the A string since that's our first note. So we're going to count 2 beats for each of the half notes and make sure we stop our bow on beat 3 and 4 for the quarter note rests. Here we go, after counting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to practice that again. Instead of me counting, I'm going to instruct you to cross your strings to either the A string or the E string while we are resting at the quarter note rest. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, cross over to the E string, cross over to the A string, cross over to the E string. 3, 4. Please make sure to practice this piece very slowly, and while you're resting, it's important always to cross over to the strings by tilting your bow to the A string. You lift your elbow a little bit higher when you're at the frog, and back to the E string, you lift your elbow and the bow a little bit toward your body, right? This movement or this movement. Now this occurs if you are at the frog. If you're at the tip, same thing, but it takes a little bit of different type of practicing because you're stretching your arm much further down. So I would need to do this movement. Crossing over to the A string while I lift my arm and elbow. And if I want to go to the high E string, I lower my arm closer to my body this way.